Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to upload photo on Canva mobile or how to upload anything on Canva mobile. The first thing you will need to do is open the Canva app. Once in the Canva app, for example, let's say I would like to create a mobile video, I'll simply tap on mobile video. After you have done that, you'll be led to this page, and from here you could tap on create blank. So I can do that real quick. After you have tapped on create blank, let's say you would like to upload something. All you'll need to do, if you do not see a pop-up like you see a while ago on my screen, all you'll need to do is tap on the plus in the bottom left hand corner. Then from there you're going to scroll across the bottom menu option, and from there you can either choose to take a photo by tapping on camera roll, or you could select uploads. Then you could tap on upload files. Then you can select your photo library, or you can choose files, or you could choose to take a photo or video. So let's say for example's sake I would like to upload something from my photo library. I will simply tap on photo library. Then from there I could select what I would like to upload. So let's say for example's sake I would like to upload this video. I could simply tap on the video, or if I would like to upload a photo, I could tap on the photo real quick. So for example's sake, let's say I would like to upload this photo right here. I'll tap on it, then tap on add, and you can see the photo has now been added. Now to add that photo to your timeline or to your project that you're creating, all you'll need to do is tap on the photo, and you can see that it has now been added. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.